teacher, how are you? I'm your student, Alae Sefioui. I'm 11 years old and I study robotics at an online school called ICAS. And today I came up with a robotic competition project. Introducing my project. So my project is inspired by an object that is used frequently in the hospital, but I use some special components and functions such as breathing exercise. This project is inspired by sound ear. I used in my project Arduino Uno, bedboard, jumper wires, LED, knock sensor, push button, and then I used the resistors. And here I defined my components with their variables. Then I pinned my components such as LED into output and sound sensor into input. And I activated my serial monitor. Then in void loop, I wrote that the first variable should be analog read by sound sensor, and the second one should be digital read by knock sensor. If the easy plug sound sensor or the first variable is bigger than 500, or if the knock sensor was equal at 300, then the LED should be enabled, and the serial monitor should print call reach, and the delay should be 10 seconds. Also, if the push button was read in low, then the LED should be enabled, and the serial monitor should print exercise started by nurse, and the delay should be 2 seconds. Then I wrote, take a deep breath in, delay 5 seconds, hold your breath, delay 4 seconds, exhale slowly, delay 5 seconds. Repeat this exercise 2 more times, delay 2 seconds, and I disabled my LED. Else, the serial monitor should only print please wait, and the delay should be 1 second.